Hi, John Rapaski from the Counsel Mortgage Group. On this video, we're going to talk about the good faith estimate. You know, as you've probably seen in other videos, in my past, I prepared tax returns as a CPA, and when they changed the good faith estimate about 3 or 4 years ago, I kind of considered it like when people talk about tax simplification. More times people talk about tax simplification, the tax return seems to get longer and bigger and thicker. Well, that's what happened with the good faith estimate, or the GFE. In this instance, when they changed the GFE, it was a 1-page document. Now it's 3 pages. And to my opinion, it's more confusing. So if you click on the link below, you'll pull up the sample GFE, and we can kind of go over it briefly, page by page. On the first page, in this instance, we have John and Mary Sample purchasing a home. And you can see that in the upper part of the GFE, they have the dates that the rate lock is good for, the dates that how long these settlement charges are for. And this first page is good too, in my opinion, because it tells you what your loan amount is, it tells you what your rate is, tells you what your monthly payment is, and it also answers some questions for you. Can the interest rate rise? No, yes. Does your loan have a prepayment penalty? Does it have a balloon payment? It's good. And it also tells you if your insurance and tax payments are included in your payment. But if you turn to the second page, this is where the confusion starts. Because on the second page, they include costs that the lender's costs or the seller's costs. What the intent of this page is to include all of the costs of the transaction, no matter who pays for them. So if you're trying to make a decision on a loan just based on the GFE alone, it's very confusing, because if you're looking for a loan, what do you want? You want to know, how much do I have to pay and what's my monthly payment going to be? You may not get out of this GFE how much you're going to pay, because it includes all the costs. So you have to be careful. What you should ask for when you're shopping for a loan is not only the GFE, but the fee worksheet. And we have a sample fee worksheet below too. You can just click on that. If you have any questions about these or want to figure out how to navigate your way through these documents, give us a call. We're happy to help. 480-502-1000.